So, when I was in my late teens, one of my best friends and neighbors was, I guess, this woman named Stephanie. And everyone in the neighborhood called her Tootie. Let me see, she was 32 when I was about 20. And myself and my best friend Megan, we kind of were adopted by her, and we learned everything about interior design from her. She lived in this old Victorian house that was just falling apart. So there were always projects that she was in the middle of. Amazing things like putting cork tile in the living room, or putting sheets of copper tile on the kitchen ceiling. So I learned a lot from her. Basically, everything I know about putting shit together in an apartment or a house. So, since I have 9-foot ceilings in my living room, I was taught that you want your curtains to go all the way up to the ceiling. And you want them to kiss, as she would say, the ground, or kind of make a puddle on the ground. And usually you don't want any curtains on the windows. You kind of just want blackout curtains on the side of the windows to extend and make the windows look even wider. But since my window faces south, I got a double rod, and on the first rod I got these amazing white see-through sheer curtains. um and on the sides I got these beige panels, 56 inches by 108 inches long. So some of the stuff that I learned from her was that if you were getting and putting up curtains, not only did you want them to be longer than you intended, but they definitely had to have grommets, and you needed to double the amount that you needed. So if the width was 40 inches, you needed to get 80 inches of curtains, because you would make these lovely folds in them. So yeah, I can't look at any curtains or window treatments without thinking of Tootie. And honestly, I can't believe how inexpensive these turned out. Usually, window treatments like this would be in the thousands. Um, Guess how many panels of curtains I have up there. But, now with the internet, you can find anything really high quality online. I mean, you had to basically um, make your own curtains, sew your own curtains back in the day. Also, another very important um, 2D tip is that you have to iron them before putting them up. As you can see, I could have done a better job. She would have definitely bitched me out. But um, you have to iron them, or like you might as well just throw the whole thing in the trash. But I noticed that no one really does this, and it looks like $1,000,000. And since I'm doing this apartment all by myself with all new things, well, some are not new but new to me, um, I really wanted to make it special, so it's taken some time. Um, I am on the 8th floor. I am facing south. Um, you have no idea how this room looked so tiny before the drapes were put up. And there's the couch I got from Amazon, a coffee table from Amazon, and this amazing rug that my bestie Janessa got for me. Yeah, I'll have to do reviews of all of those, but I will post links to the curtains I used in the descriptions. I'm still waiting for a bunch of other stuff, so it's a mess. But yeah, I wanted to share the story of the curtains.